In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ClickBank account. A lot of people have been sending me requests asking for tutorials on how to create a ClickBank account. And the other day, I just logged into my ClickBank account and I noticed that I couldn't log into it. So I tried to create a new one. It didn't work. And then I tried out this method and it worked immediately. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. I didn't screen record it when I was doing so, but I know all the steps that I followed. And that's why I'm putting down everything for you to follow in this video. So if you want to create a ClickBank account or even a JVZO account or mainly a ClickBank account from anywhere in the world, this is a worldwide method that is working as at the time of recording this video. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in my system and show you how to create a ClickBank account. So we're here right now and you're going to need three main things in order to create a ClickBank account. The first thing you're going to need is a VPN because you want to change your location. If you are in some countries like Nigeria, for example, once your VPN is on Nigeria, whether you pass the first stage of creating your account, once you get to the second stage, your account will be disabled, right? They won't allow you to go through. So you need to have a VPN. Is a must-have, okay? And after a VPN, the next thing you need to have is a phone number. So you need to have a phone number in the country where your VPN is listed. And for this example, we're going to be using United States. So your VPN will be in United States and your phone number has to be in United States as well. And then the third thing that you're going to need is your EIN number. Now this one, most people do not know that to get an EIN number is actually free. The IRS can give you an EIN number no matter where you are in the world, right? I was in Nigeria when I applied for mine and I got mine here in Nigeria, right? It was just a phone call. I went to the link, I filled the form, I did everything, and then they called me on the phone and gave me my number. So I have my EIN number in Nigeria. So it's not something that you need to travel to do and it's free of charge. Okay, so once you have these three things, the next thing you want to do is follow this process as it's written down here. Please make sure to follow it as it's written down. The first thing you want to do, and we're going to be using your phone, so you don't need to use your system for this. Using your system is going to be complicated. Make sure you use your phone. And another thing I want to point out is that make sure the VPN you are using is not, don't go for free VPN, right? I don't know how well free VPN works, but I would prefer that you go for a VPN that you actually pay for. Okay, go for a VPN that you've paid for and you know that is a good one. All right, I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description. So get a VPN that is paid for. Make sure you have your US number and then your EIN number. Then follow this process. First thing to do is to clear your cookies. So go into your browser, preferably if you're using Google Chrome on your phone. I would suggest you use Google Chrome for this. So go in and clear your browser history, clear your cookies, and then restart your phone. After you restart your phone, turn on your phone and then sign into your VPN and change your IP location to US. It can be any part of the US, New York, Texas, wherever you want to. Just change your IP address to US, and then after that open your browser and go to incognito mode. So incognito mode, when you open your browser, just go to the menu and then you see incognito. Open new incognito window, open incognito so you are private browsing, and then on the incognito window open a new tab and then confirm that your IP location has changed to US by going to any of these websites. I'm going to leave them also in the description. That's whoer.net or whatismyipaddress.com. Visit any of these two, or you can even visit the both of them and make sure that your address has changed to US. Okay, after that open a new tab, or on that same tab just go to clickbank.com and then click on create a new account. Then you use your correct name, use your correct email address, and then when they send you the confirmation link to your email, don't click on the link directly. Don't click on the link that they send you directly inside the email. You want to copy that link and then come into your browser and paste it there. Okay, so copy the link from the email and come into your browser and paste it there. And then when they ask you for your address, just use any US address. You can just go to Google, type in the name of any hotel or hotels in the US, or if you use Texas as your VPN, you can type in hotels in Texas, USA, and just use one of their addresses as your location. So that is how you go about creating a ClickBank. I know there may be some other options like to add your tax info. You don't really need to add that immediately. Just put this information like this and go ahead, ignore every other thing, and your account will be created. Make sure you do it with your phone, and when you want to log into ClickBank on your system, make sure that your VPN is on. That's why I recommend that you get a paid VPN. Don't use a free one because it may expire or it will change your address, and you don't want that to happen. They'll begin to send queries to your account. So make sure that you use a VPN that you've actually paid for, and that is how you get a verified ClickBank account. Like I said, guys, it's a very simple process. You can do it right now, you can test it out, and it's going to work very, very well for you. So if you have any questions concerning opening a ClickBank account, feel free to drop them below for me. Like I said, I discovered this method when I was trying to open an account for myself, and you know, I did the first one, I made a mistake and that email was banned. So I had to follow this process and my account was approved immediately. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, do make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and you know, like this video so that more people can get to see it, so the YouTube algorithm will favor the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.